Once there were two people chasing the same dream. One worked day and night without a clear plan. The other planned carefully, used time wisely, and worked intelligently. In the end, the second person achieved success first, not because of luck, but because of smart work. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about something that can completely change the way you work, think, and succeed. Our topic is smart work. We often hear people say hard work is the key to success. Yes, hard work is important, but in today's fast-paced and competitive world, hard work alone is not enough. Smart work means doing the right task in the right way at the right time. It's not about working longer hours, it's about working more intelligently. Think about this simple example. Two students prepare for the same exam. One studies for hours without a plan and feel exhausted. The other studies with a clear strategy, focus on important topics and practice wisely. Who gets better result? The one who works smartly. Smart work saves time, it reduces stress, and most importantly, it gives better result. In today's world, time is limited and competition is high. People who plan well, use modern tools, and focus on priorities always move ahead. Smart work means setting clear goals, managing time effectively, using technology wisely, learning from mistakes, improving skills continuously. Successful people don't just work harder, they work smarter. If you want to grow faster, achieve your goals, and stay ahead of others, smart work is not an option, it's a necessity. So remember this: hard work builds effort, but smart work creates success. When you combine hard work with smart work, you don't just stay busy. You move forward with purpose, think wisely, plan carefully, and work smart to achieve your goals. Thank you for watching.